Here's how I make modern modulated rumble using only plugins from scratch. Insert pink noise, and then rage on the track below. Drag Crackle to the effects chain. Set track channel to 4, then set this to 1 and 2. Send Crackle noise to the other track, and send input to 3 and 4. You can disable the master send. So we are going to use Crackle noise as sidechain source to make constant sharp transients you hear from paper crumpling or sparks. Adjust the threshold, range, attack, and release. And modulate gain out. Beat the devil out of it. You can add low pass and modulate this as well. Now add your favorite effects chain and do your thing. The cool thing about this technique is that you can change the speed of the transient by modulating delay distribution. You can also make it stereo here. Add recenter and enrage to adjust stereo widths. Use enrage to boost mid content. Finally, add some more effects and shape the sound even further. But keep it tasteful and natural sounding. Well done. You can replace both pink noise and crackle noise with your own recordings.